This is the Lorton Engineering Facility, one of Booz Allen's flagship engineering centers.
Hi, I'm Joel Dillon, Senior Vice President at Booz Allen. I lead our warfighter technology business and our engineering, manufacturing, and production team.
And I'm Sonia Romani, a senior engineer on our warfighter performance team. At Lorton, engineering isn't theoretical. It's hands-on, mission-driven, and built to deliver. This facility is purpose-built to move ideas from concept to capability, rapidly designing, building, and testing systems that support the warfighter. The high bay enables large-scale prototyping, assembly, and training, supporting unmanned systems, payload and sensor connection, and modular mission configurations. Specialized labs bring together warfighter performance, data and cyber, and advanced materials science. A secure, modular data center supports AI-powered software, high-performance hardware, and disconnected operations. From unmanned systems to fully connected tactical solutions, Lorton is where we build what the mission demands, because engineering excellence is what we do.